Holler! What's going on? Holla gang! Holla gang! What's going on with ya? Hey, did you say holla with me? Did you say holla with Ace? No? Well, here's your chance. Here's your chance. Holler! Yes! Hit the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Share the video. Get in the comments to let me know that you said it. Yeah, so in this video, I'm just gonna talk to y'all. No video, no interview, no car interview today. Not this one. Cause I wanna break down the channel just a little bit for my new subscribers. We are growing. So I want to give a little refresher of what the channel is all about. So with that being said, first off, let's go around Ghost, aka the Hollermobile, and we gonna go around Cherry Bomb as well. So let's get that done. So here's the Hollermobile. Yeah. So I have laid a bigger holler on my windshield because it was about that size going across there. So I got my decals redone. But that's it. That's how I look. But this spring I will be adding the color red to the calipers there. I have laid the forged carbon on the pillars. Yeah. And my bigger decals, because they were real little. They were real little right there. But I laid them, made them a little bit bigger. Alright, and I did the back window here. And that right there is the official, my official logo. Here's the driver's side. Same thing. And everything, all the red accents, I did that myself. Yep, I did that all myself. I don't do it professionally. I just, I know the concept and I just laid it myself. I just did it. But let's go around Cherry Bomb. Alright, Cherry Bomb is dirty. It need a wash. She's running because it's cold and we about to head out. So I sprayed the calipers red. I laid the Buick on the rim. I laid the forged carbon. I also got the OEM nameplate of Enclave right there. I did that. You would never find another Enclave like that. There's the front, and I have plans for the grill. It's coming soon. It's coming soon. I know I've been promising you guys that I got something coming for it, but it's coming real soon. Now let's talk about the channel real quick. So I am giving back to ordinary people. I just want to give ordinary people a chance to shine. So that's the whole thing. Most people they want stuff done to their car, and you know, hey, let's be honest, they can't get it done. So that's what I am here for. I am here to bless somebody with their three things. So on the vehicle that they are driving currently, no new car, just the one that they are driving now. So that's the whole object of the channel. And holler is my word of, I always use it as a form of introduction, me entering a room, So that's my word. It's I have it copyrighted, and holla back. That's mine. It's a form of goodbye. I see you later. It's copyrighted. It's mine. So there's no other channel doing this. There's no other channel doing this. So yes you, I need y'all to rock with me. I need y'all to rock with me. That means I need y'all to share these videos, watch the videos, and the whole video. Don't just skip, watch the whole video. Support and share and tell everybody he is doing something different. That's right, I'm doing something different. Let's do this. Let's do it together. With your help, we can make somebody's dream come true on the vehicle that they have. Now, let me see. There was something else I wanted to share with y'all. Oh, I am also looking for, if you know somebody that do body work, engine work, let me know. Get in the comments. I'm looking for them. I need those two. I have as far as tent, music, I have that, and rims, I have that. I have that in the bag. I just need body work and paint, and engine work. So with that, I need that. That's you. Get in the comments, let me know. One day soon, when we get monetized, we can work together. So let's get this done. So with that being said, y'all know how I end all my videos. Thank you for watching. Oh, my new subscribers, thank you for joining the movement. Thank you for subscribing. Tell all your friends to follow me, because we gonna do something different. We gonna blow this channel up. We gonna go high, and we gonna do something that haven't been done. Let's do this together. Y'all ready? My old subscribers, thanks for sharing the videos. Thank you for watching. Let's keep it going. want to end this video to let y'all know about my merch. Yes, don't forget about my merch. It's loud. Better watch my back. But hey, don't forget about my merch. Description. The link is in the description. Get you some. We going up all 22 So let's rock with me. Y'all know how I end all my videos. Hey, holla back.